Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will create a program that will ask the user to give length in centimeters, and then it will convert into meters and kilometers using Java programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with the newly uploaded video. So let's begin. One of my subscribers in my channel messaged me or leave a comment in the comment section of my tutorial videos asking me how to write a program that will ask the user length in centimeters, and then it will convert it into meters and kilometers in Java programming language. So we have here import Java util scanner for input output, public class centimeter converter, public static void main. This is the starting point of every Java program. And then we have here double centimeters in kilometers, series of variable scanner input. So this command belongs in this library file. So we have here an object input. So input in centimeters, we have here the title, centimeters to meters in kilometers in Java. Enter length in centimeters will be stored in a variable centimeters, input next double. So here we have here the conversion to meters, kilometers with 2 decimal places, meters, centimeters divide by 100. For kilometers, the centimeters is divided by 100,000. For the output results with 2 decimal places is same out printf, %2f centimeters is equals to %2f meters, centimeters in meters. And then we have also here %2 centimeters is equals to %2f kilometers in centimeters and kilometers. And then we close the body of our class. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my 2 websites. Let us go with our online GDB to run the code. Let's wait. Okay, our program is running centimeters to meters and kilometers in Java. Enter length in centimeters. Let's say we have 8,000 centimeters. So 8,000 centimeters is equals to 80.00 meters. 8,000 centimeters is equals to 0.08 kilometers. Okay, another example. Let's say we have 25,600. So 25,600 centimeters is equals to 256 meters. 25,600 centimeters is equals to 0.26 kilometers. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on centimeters to meters and kilometers in Java programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jixin. Bye bye for now.